Hello again. Today I'm gonna show you how you can change or check your pads or rotors in your Honda Accord from 2018 to 2021 Honda Accord Hybrid. You need a 19mm socket to take out all these knots. As you see, this is rotor, and these two, one here on other one in I don't know you can see or not. And for this area you can use this protect your car from rust. You can spray in this area. If you want to take off your rotor, you have to open this and take off your rotor. Remember, you can spray your rust check protect in this area for your car. If you're living in a snowy or rainy ice and a snowy area, you can use your spray to protect this area of your car from rust. Look. Push in and pull out, and you're taking off this. As you see here, you have two oven, number 8, one in here and one in there, number 8. You have to open these to take off this piece. You have to open these two. After taking off these from inside, you can pull out your whole stuff in there, and my pad is in good condition. I don't need to change. My pads are in good condition. I don't need change that, and I have to back again. Look, easy peasy. And again, these knots. As you see, I use this one. I spray all this area to keep in protect from rust, you know. This is very helpful. This is very helpful, and you can keep your car That's a little more, you know. Yeah, my pads are in good condition. I don't need to change. I just want to show you how you can do that. And yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.